Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials. Open Google and sign in if you want saved results. Then decide precise keywords, name the subject, add GIF or animated. Once typed, press enter and switch to images. This is crucial because Google's animated filter lives there. Next, open Tools and set type to animated. Doing that narrows results to moving images only, so you won't waste time on stills. Make sure your keywords are specific. This improves relevance and speed. Once you have animated thumbnails, scan them and hover or click to preview motion. This helps you judge quality fast. Next, refine with size and color to find larger or transparent background GIF and use time to get recent uploads. When you find a candidate, open the image page to confirm file format and source. GIF, WebP, or MP4 behave differently. Also check usage rights via Tools Usage Rights. This prevents copyright surprises when you plan to reuse. To finish, right-click and save a GIF, or open the image in a new tab to download WebP or MP4 files. These may require conversion for some apps. If you need a different format, use a reputable converter to change MP4 or WebP into GIF. If results seem empty or incorrect, clear your browser cache, try an incognito window, or broaden keywords. Sometimes personalization hides items. If animations still fail to play, check your browser's autoplay and image settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.